Okay, let's try this guitar. This is a very unlikely guitar, but you know what? It sounds pretty darn good. Let's try it in this single coil or double coil position. This pickup right here. Now let's go in the middle. Same thing. Now let's go to this pickup. Now it should be quite bassy, I guess. Now let's go to single coil mode. We pull that out. Let's go up to the top pickup here. Let's go to both pickups. Let's go to the bridge. Oops, too much. This you could probably get away with, but I think the Stratocaster is by far the best guitar. Thank you. I know.